Well, happening today was definitely hard to miss. All cell phone users, a nationwide emergency alert test was activated today. And while it may have been a little bit jarring, the alerts are only a test, so there's no reason to panic, everyone. The Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Federal Communications Commission blared the alert earlier this afternoon. The alerts were sent to all cell phones, TVs, and radios. This test is done to ensure that when a crisis does strike, warnings are able to reach those in need. The message on phones read, "This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed."